Hi everyone, today I want to make a quick video just showing you some specials that are going on right now in May. We're kind of at the end, this is why my room is such a mess. We're at the end of a catalog. So we have things that are retiring and we have new catalog coming. So I'm pulling things off my shelf, and as I went through the catalog, I saw a lot of bundles that are carrying over, which is awesome. They're carrying over into the next catalog, and that's a great thing because that means that demonstrators are still going to be using them, and that means you're going to see all kinds of samples still coming out on Pinterest and all the different demonstrator websites and blogs that you go to. You're going to still see samples for Tropical Chic, for example. You're going to see samples for Butterfly Gala. So if you still want to get these bundles, jump on them now, because right now they're 10% off. When Stampin' Up! Introduces a stamp and die bundle or stamp and punch bundle, the first catalog it's in, it's always bundled together at one style number for 10% off. So if you get them now, before this catalog expires, you get the 10% savings. And that means even stuff in the Occasions catalog, which is the Butterfly Gala, or what else? Geared Up Garage is in the Occasions catalog, currently 10% off. And these will be in the next catalog. I've seen the next catalog. It's beautiful. You're going to want to see it too. And there's great bundles in it. But maybe you like to spread out your purchases and you're trying to think, what can I purchase now? What can I purchase later? And you're trying to decide, and maybe you heard that Geared Up Garage is in the next catalog, so you think, well, I'll just get it later. If you get it now, you're going to save 10%, which is awesome. All that 10% savings adds up. And then in June, come back and look at the new bundles in the new catalog. It's gorgeous. You're going to easily find a ton of stuff that you want to buy from this one, but maybe you like to spread it out, like I said. Another thing to consider is if you want to get even more savings, join. It's a no-brainer. You get $125 worth of products for $99 right off the bat, and you can choose some of these great things that are sticking around. Or do you know that when you join as a demonstrator, you can put pre-order items in your starter kit? So maybe you've seen a few sneak peeks and you think, oh, I cannot wait till that catalog goes live because I want that Magnolia set. I cannot wait till it goes live because I want that new sailboat set. They are beautiful. The papers, everything is beautiful. You're going to want these things. So you can get them in your pre-order. You can add new pre-order sneak peeks now today. So if you join today, you can do that. And all you have to do is go to my blog, bethspapercuts.com, and click the join button. If you want to watch my join video first, you can, or read my little blurb, but just click the join button and start adding things to your cart in there, and you can pick new pre-order stuff in that cart right away. If you need help with that, contact me through bethspapercuts.com or my Facebook page, Beth Paper Cuts. Happy to help you with that. I think joining is a great idea. I think it's a no-brainer. You don't have any obligation to ever purchase anything ever again. They're not going to hunt you down. There are no pre-selected things that come in the mail. Nothing. It's really a no-brainer. I kid you not. But if you don't want to do that, please still at least take advantage of the current 10% off savings. I'm going to go through each thing that's on sale, and I have all of these and more because I don't own every bundle, amazingly. I just placed an order for some more because I realized there was a few that I just missed. So they're coming. But on my blog, I have all the bundles that are carrying over into the next catalog currently listed, so you can look through them and decide what you like. If you buy from me, I have a frequent buy our rewards program. You can earn free stamps. It's awesome. But think about joining because that's even better. And if you have any questions about that, contact me or go to my blog and start shopping. You're going to love all these new products coming your way. I'm going to flip it over now and show you all that's for sale. Okay, so I'm going to start with what punch bundles are currently on sale. You've seen this one just a minute ago, the Butterfly Gala bundle, and it's the stamp and the butterfly punch together bundled. And if you buy them together right now through June 3rd, you will save 10%. Here's another punch and stamp bundle, currently 10% off. And it's this nice moon. And this is not just for little baby cards like the stamp. First of all, the stamp set has a love you, which you can use for lots of things. This is great for wedding and graduation too, but then there's also a little baby, a star is born, and the world just got a little brighter, twinkle twinkle little star. Really cute for baby cards, but also for other things as well. And then this punch, this moon punch, I've used a lot. I've used it for Halloween cards. It's really fun. So, or I had the piggy jumping over the moon. So lots of good uses for the moon punch. Varied vases. This is a bundle, 10% off right now. Now, they've come out with another stamp set to go with this, so you can get even more versatility. But this bundle right now is 10% off if you buy it through June 3rd. Little Elephant, he's sticking around for the next catalog too. And so right now he'll be 10% off, but if you get him later he won't be. And this is a really fun, I like the Little Elephant stamp set. He's really sweet. Pop of Petals. You know, anytime the punch comes to the stamp set, I love it. And this is really cute. And this little thing here is actually a butterfly. So you can use it for a flower or a butterfly. Really sweet. And I've seen some really great cards with this. Pop of Petals. Piece of Cake. This is a good one. This is in the Occasions catalog, and right now 10% off, but if you wait till later, it won't be. And you've got lots of fun cakes here. There's good cakes for kids, but also some fancier cakes for a wedding. Some adults. The sayings are good for many occasions, and of course there's a punch, so it's awesome. Happy Tails. This is a really cute stamp and punch set, and if you have the cat punch, you're definitely going to want the dog. It's really cute, and right now 10%. Let me show you the die collection that's on special. So right now, Sea of Textures, 10% off if purchased now, and that one has the fun netting, and ooh, my dies are a mess. Obviously I've used this one a lot. So it's all over, but it's a really fun die collection, and you're going to want to grab that while you can. It'll still be in the next catalog, which means lots of great samples on Pinterest still coming a whole year from now, but you're going to want to grab it now. Animal Friends, also a well-loved stamp set, cuts out some of the animals and also has a few extra things too, like a little vine and little, this looks like giraffe pattern. It could also be used as rocks. So really cute stamp set. Best Catch. I did a bunch of videos on this, well, maybe 2 different videos, but I've done lots of cards with it. And this is in the Occasions catalog, currently at 10% off bundle, and it will be in the next catalog, but you want to get it now while you can at a discount. Broadway Birthday. There's a lot of great samples for this one, and I love the big wish. It's great for scrapbooking, and this big, what do you call that, like a billboard lighting or some kind of big thing. The pieces on this are large. You've got candles and hats. This is great for scrapbookers. I've used this probably more for scrapbooking. Actually, I can't say. I've used it for so much. Anyway, it's a really great die set and a really great stamp set together bundled right now, 10% off. Geared Up Garage. This is a new one in the Occasions, 10% off right now. And there's another die that you can't quite see. Giant gears. This is fun. Anyway, that's on special right now, 10%. Will be in the next catalog, but don't delay. Okay, this is a good one. A lot of people were shocked to learn that Lovely as a Tree is retiring after, oh, I don't know. I think it was introduced in 2001, but it's being retired, which has shocked us all. This is kind of a replacement for it. The only thing it's missing is that line of trees, that really pretty line of trees. So we'll have to see if we can get that somehow the other way. But this is really pretty. You know, I think Winter Woods has a line of trees. But anyway, this one is a really pretty stamp set. I like the leaves, and I love that there's cutouts for the leaves, which is something that Lovely as a Tree did not have. And I love that there's a cutout for this big tree. This is, I'm going to use this for Father's Day actually, and I have a card coming up, a video on that. And I like the sentiments. It's actually a much bigger set than Lovely as a Tree, and it has a lot more going for it. I'm just sentimental about Lovely as a Tree. But anyway, if you get this now, save 10%. Here's another beauty from the Occasions catalog, which is currently 10%, but if it goes, it's going to go up. It's going to be in the next catalog, but it's on special right now. Lily Pad Lake. I really love this one. I've used it quite a bit, and I just love the dies on here, the sailboats. I love the little heron. I think it's a heron. Maybe I'm wrong. But anyway, that's a really pretty one. This one, super awesome. Love you to pieces. I've seen great cards with it. I've made a few, and this is a great one. Also bundled currently 10%. Okay, so Tropical Chic made it into the next catalog, which is great. I love the large leaves on this. I did it for some Hawaii scrapbooks that I did, and I just think it's great, and it's going to be in the next catalog, but buy it now, 10%. This one is really pretty. Look at this big giant die here of flowers, and it makes a really pretty outline. You can use, I've used it in the corner of cards. You can also use this on scrapbooks just based on this big size. So if you buy these two together, you save 10%. Here's another one from the Occasions catalog. Purchase these together and save 10%. Forever Lovely. The dies on this are also really pretty. Okay, I love this one. Well Said. There's a ton. Actually, there's two stamp cases for this one. I don't know where the other one is at the exact moment. So there's a huge stamp set. This is only one case. It's got almost any occasion I can think of. But then these word dies are awesome. There's tons of them. And I've used this quite a bit, as you can see. And it's got everything. This is an awesome, if you like scrapbooking too, this is good because you've got the big words for titles if you want. Or, anyway, this is an awesome. I love this a lot. Okay, stitch labels. The dies on this are quite fantastic. I've used this one a ton, and there's more in here that you can't see. There we go. This is really fun for backgrounds. Lots of cute. I love this little heart. So that's a cute one. Stained glass, also currently 10%, and will go up. And there's some more that I don't own, so you need to kind of go and look at the bundles. If you don't know what's staying and what's not, this one is staying, and there's a stamp set that goes with it that I have misplaced. I'm going to have to go through and make sure I didn't put it in my sale pile, because it's a nice heart stamp set. It's called Be Mine, or Meant to Be, and I have it somewhere. But the dies for this are super awesome. I really love the dies. It's a huge die collection, and I love them. So anyway, 10% off sale going on now that you might not be aware of, and I really love that you can get them on 10% right now, but they're still carrying over to the next year, so you're still going to see a lot of great samples with them online, on Pinterest and Facebook, and at your demonstrators workshops. These are really awesome stamp sets carrying over. So grab them now, don't delay. If you have any questions at all, feel free to contact me at bethspapercuts.com. You can email me or talk to me through Facebook, and I think I'm going to post all of them on Facebook so you can see them up close. Thanks for watching. Bye.